High above the rolling hills of central Sri Lanka, a magnificent structure pierces the sky. This is Ambuluwawa Tower, a marvel of engineering and a symbol of religious harmony. Ambuluwawa Tower is not just an architectural wonder, it is a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of its builders. The intricate details of its design reflect a blend of modern engineering and traditional aesthetics, making it a unique landmark in the region. Located near the town of Gampola, Ambuluwawa rises from the summit of Ambuluwawa Mountain. The tower is part of a larger complex that includes a biodiversity complex, which is home to a variety of flora and fauna, making it a haven for nature lovers and researchers alike. The tower stands as a beacon, visible for miles around. Its presence is a reminder of the rich cultural and natural heritage of the region. The panoramic views from the top of the tower offer a breathtaking glimpse of the surrounding landscape, with lush green valleys and distant mountains creating a picturesque scene. The sight of the tower against the backdrop of the green valley is breathtaking. The contrast between the towering structure and the serene natural surroundings creates a sense of harmony and balance, making it a perfect spot for meditation and reflection. It's a site that draws visitors from all corners of the globe. People from different cultures and backgrounds come together to admire the beauty of Ambuluwawa Tower and to experience the tranquility it offers. The tower has become a symbol of unity and peace, attracting tourists, pilgrims, and adventurers alike. People come to witness its beauty and experience its serene atmosphere. The area around the tower is designed to provide a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Visitors can explore the well-maintained gardens, take leisurely walks along the pathways, and enjoy the serene ambiance that pervades the entire complex. Ambuluwawa is more than just a tower. It's a journey of discovery. As you ascend the spiral staircase, each step reveals new perspectives and stunning vistas. The climb to the top is both a physical and spiritual journey, offering a sense of accomplishment and a deeper connection to the natural world. The panoramic views from the summit are truly awe-inspiring, providing a 360-degree view of the surrounding landscape. Whether you are a nature enthusiast, a history buff, or simply someone seeking a moment of peace, Ambuluwawa Tower offers something for everyone. It is a place where the beauty of nature and the ingenuity of human creation come together in perfect harmony. The story of Ambuluwawa Tower is intertwined with the vision of one man, Venerable Dr. Weligama Gnanawimala Thero. He dreamt of creating a place of peace and unity, a place where people of all faiths could come together. Construction of the tower began in 1997 and took over a decade to complete. The project was a testament to the dedication and hard work of many. The tower was finally opened to the public in 2008. Since then, it has become a popular destination for both locals and tourists. Ambuluwawa Tower is a unique blend of architectural styles, reflecting the diverse religious landscape of Sri Lanka. This remarkable structure stands as a testament to the country's rich cultural and religious heritage. The tower is not just an architectural marvel, but also a symbol of unity and coexistence among different faiths. The tower incorporates elements of Buddhist, Hindu, Islamic, and Christian design. Each of these religious symbols is meticulously crafted, showcasing the intricate artistry and deep respect for each faith. The presence of these symbols on a single structure is a powerful statement of religious tolerance and mutual respect. This fusion of styles is symbolic of the tower's message of religious harmony. It serves as a reminder that despite our differences, we can coexist peacefully and appreciate the beauty in diversity. Visitors from all over the world come to witness this harmonious blend and leave with a sense of hope and inspiration. The tower is 100 meters tall and consists of several levels. Each level is designed with a specific purpose, offering visitors a unique experience as they ascend. The architectural design ensures that the tower remains stable and safe for all who visit. Each level offers stunning panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. From lush green landscapes to distant mountain ranges, the vistas are breathtaking. The higher you climb, the more expansive the views become, providing a serene and tranquil experience. Visitors can climb the spiral staircase to the top, passing by prayer rooms and meditation halls along the way. These spaces are designed for reflection and meditation, allowing visitors to connect with their spirituality. The journey to the top is both a physical and spiritual ascent. The tower's unique design has earned it recognition both nationally and internationally. It stands as a beacon of architectural innovation and cultural significance. The blend of different architectural styles and religious symbols makes it a must-visit destination for anyone interested in history, culture, and spirituality. Harmony in stone, cultural and religious significance. Ambuluwawa Tower is more than just a tourist attraction. It's a place of deep cultural and religious significance. The tower represents the four major religions of Sri Lanka: Buddhism, Hinduism, Islam, and Christianity. Each religion is represented by a dedicated space within the tower. Buddhists come to pay homage at the stupa, Hindus at the kovil, Muslims at the mosque, and Christians at the church. Ambuluwawa serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of tolerance and understanding in a diverse society. Whispers in the wind, legends of the tower. Like any place steeped in history, Ambuluwawa has its share of myths and legends. This tower, standing tall amidst the clouds, has been a silent witness to countless tales passed down through generations. Each stone, each step, seems to echo with the voices of the past, whispering secrets to those who are willing to listen. Local folklore speaks of a hidden treasure buried beneath the tower. This treasure, they say, is not just gold or jewels, but something far more valuable. Some believe it to be ancient scrolls containing lost knowledge, while others think it might be a powerful artifact that holds the key to untold mysteries. Some say the tower is protected by supernatural beings. Guardians of the night, they are said to roam the grounds, ensuring that the secrets of Ambuluwawa remain safe from those who would seek to exploit them. These ethereal protectors are often described as shimmering figures, barely visible against the starlit sky. Their presence felt more than seen. While these stories add a touch of mystique, the true treasure of Ambuluwawa lies in its message of peace and the breathtaking beauty it offers. The tower stands as a symbol of harmony, a place where nature and human ingenuity come together in perfect balance. Its serene surroundings provide a sanctuary for those seeking solace and inspiration. Whether or not you believe in legends, the stories surrounding Ambuluwawa add another layer to its allure. Visitors from all over the world come to experience its magic, drawn by the promise of adventure and the hope of uncovering its secrets. Each person leaves with their own story, a unique memory etched into their hearts. They remind us that some places hold a certain magic that goes beyond what we can see and touch. Ambuluwawa is one such place where the lines between reality and legend blur, creating a tapestry of wonder that captivates the imagination. It is a testament to the enduring power of storytelling and the human spirit's unending quest for the extraordinary.